What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. If you're watching this, I'm only making this video for everybody that entered my Silver Bullet giveaway because it's finally game time, y'all. We're finally about to go live tomorrow, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Make sure you are entered to win. If you have not, make sure you get in right now by copying you a last call SLIDN sticker for $25 to get you 20 spots. That's the only way you can enter. Like I said, we're going live tomorrow, so get in right now and make it count because I'm telling you, it's game time. We got first place, our 2015 Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide powder coated up, looking good. Third place, we're giving back $100 cash and 3 entries into the next giveaway. So I'm telling you, get in to win it while you can, man. We are sliding, not hiding. Man, we back out here the next day, man. It is crazy weather today. Y'all see the weather out here, storming, sunny, raining, a little bit of everything. But like I said, we're going live within the next 2 days, so make sure you enter into the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We're giving away this truck right here, paired together with both of the bikes. Literally, we're about to head to Antonio right now and get the last of our paint, so that's going to be completely A1. So understand that, man. I would go get the rims today, but he's still doing the hubs, and it seemed like nothing because it's 2 rims. But he is a shop that is booming with a lot of with a lot of rim sets for other people and companies. So I know mine's not the first on the list, so I can respect that. At least he's going to get it done before Friday. That's good enough. So with that being said, make sure y'all enter to win, because I'm telling you, we're about to be going live this Friday, man. You can enter to win right now. Description below at BUILTBYDRE.BigCartel.com for $25. Get you 20 spots right now. Get you a last call SLIDN sticker. Yes, the giveaway is sold out. I'm just giving y'all last few people an opportunity to win. But like I said, get in to win it, man. We're about to head to this paint shop and get it in, man. What? Oh, he's still at the house? Yeah. Oh, yeah, nah, it's cool. He told me, he's like, I'm going to call, I'm going to tell my son. It looked good as hell, though. It's dry though, right? Yeah, it's already. Okay. Definitely look good. Yes, sir. Got that fresh black. Let me light my camera. There we go. Yeah, this look good. This the piece I was waiting on.
You want me to wrap them up for you?
Yeah, that'd be cool, I ain't gonna lie, because I don't got no boxes today. I brought some saran wrap type shit, but probably that paper would be better. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is perfect, man. What color y'all doing this car?
I don't know yet.
He said, I don't know yet. I got the bodywork looking good, though, for sure. Man, this thing is looking good. Yep, it's game time, man. We got everything we need. Front fender. Rear fender is on the way. Yes, sir. We about to load up. got a lot of work done so far on this joint. We're not finished yet. We're getting there little by little, eliminating all the parts off of the floor. We got the back of the subframe up on there. We got the swing arm on there with the air shocks in the back. I mean, the shocks in the back. We got the front head finally complete with that other push rod finally bolted down. We got the harness on there finally bolted up. We're trying to get everything with the brake lines and whatnot. We got all the mounts bolted. Got to finish the rear swing arm one. Now we're about to get that front fairing on, finish bolting that up with a new bracket. Luckily, everything is here on the floor, nice and clean. And we got a few pieces in the mail. We got our radio bracket, our speaker pods, and our crash bar brackets. I got baby girl coming with 2 more packages from my mom, so I'm waiting on those 2 because those are the pockets and the ventilation system. So that's going to complete the whole front end. We got to just get us a nice headlight, so stay tuned for that. But we got everything on the way coming together, man. So stay tuned. Y'all see we got our 23 tire for our silver bullet. Everything is coming together, man. I'm telling y'all, we are getting there little by little, man. We're about to keep getting to it, so stay tuned. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing coming together. We finally got 2 of the bikes looking almost complete. It's crazy. I love to see 2 of my bikes together at the same time. You guys do not understand. We only got this left on the floor. I gotta wait to put those pieces until she come with the pieces that I need. So we're gonna put that on hold with the front fairing. The front fender I can't put on until I get these legs, hopefully today, fingers crossed. Besides that, we're gonna assemble the bags and get those onto the bike so that rear end is complete. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the exhaust back onto there. Once we get the brake line on there, I'll have the exhaust bolted up and we'll be good to go. So stay tuned, man. I literally ordered a 21 for this rim that should have been here today, but they still have not provided a tracking number, but say they sent it. So I'm waiting on them to send that thing, to arrive any day. I got that tire coming tomorrow. We got our front 23 tire for that bike, so stay tuned. Waiting on 1 more 18 so we can get the back rim for that. But like I said, everything is in motion, as y'all can see, man. It is game time. We are 2 days away from going live. So if you're watching this and you like what you see, please make sure you are locked and loaded with at least 20 spots into the giveaway. It takes $25 right now in the description below. Y'all see how we come in for first place and second place. And we got a third place, man. So get in to win it, y'all. Y'all see it. We got the purple with that wet black looking good. We got everything coming together, man. I cannot wait. It's looking amazing. I'm not going to lie. The black looked so much better than I imagined in my head. But I had to realize purple is a dark but like bright color. How it's coming. Once we have the wheels on there, y'all get a better understanding. But y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is definitely looking good. I'm loving it. Let me know what y'all think, man. I'm loving the black. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Only color I was going to do besides the black was purple, but I didn't want too much purple. We would have been looking at all purple. Purple frame, purple washes, purple paint. I didn't want that. So this black is perfect. I'm telling you. We are on it, man. I cannot wait. We're getting closer and closer, but we're about to get back to it, clean all of this up on the floor, and then we're about to go ahead and assemble this bags. So stay tuned, y'all. We finally got the garage cleaned up, looking so much better, nice and organized. So now we got space to think and get everything done. We got our front outer fairing right there because that's going to really be last. I got to put the blinkers on there. Front fender, we waiting on the legs, and then the other few pieces we have to put on after the exhaust. So we got that thing to the side. I got to take his bars off and take all 3 bars off and wire those up. But anyway, we got this thing right here looking good. We got everything on the floor for our 2015 that we needed on the Roadglide fairing. So now it's game time. We got our new radio bracket, really both, the mount bracket and the radio one fresh, brand new. So it's A1, everything is fresh out the box right here besides this broken one that came on the bike. That's out here twisted, broke, and demolished. That's why we came new with that. We got all of our plastic, the speaker pods, the pockets, everything. We're missing just one thing to hold the flap doors up and down. But besides that, we got everything else we need out here besides the headlight. So with that being said, we about to get to it because it ain't nothing but to do it, man. Third place, I'm going to give y'all $100 and a few entries into the next giveaway. So understand that, man. We got first, second, and third. Third, you're getting $100 cash plus 3 more entries into the next giveaway. So understand that. First place, we got our 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide right there, powder coated up, looking good, freshly painted. Third place, you win $100 cash, and you get 3 entries into the next giveaway. So understand that, y'all. We are working, getting it in, making it happen. Sliding, not hiding. Understand that, man. We getting it in, making it happen. I cannot wait. But like I said, we getting to it, man. It ain't nothing but to do it. But y'all see what time it is, man. We about to go ahead and get it going.